won't you sail with me out on the rolling sea? We'll find some place to go, maybe down to Barbados. It's an island off somewhere in the middle of nowhere, sailing to freedom, you and me.
G'day people, I've left Thailand, I'm back in Vietnam. It's New Year's Eve right now. This video is going to be hopefully uploaded in the next couple of hours. I will show you the Vietnam stuff, but unfortunately there's not much because basically it was work, and I was there only to get my visa, and as soon as I got my visa, I flew straight back. I perhaps should have stayed there a bit longer. Well, it doesn't matter. Sailing into freedom doesn't rest, especially when 2025 is going to be a huge year. We've got lots of things happening finally again. The issue that's on my mind is sociopathic crew. Now, why is it on my mind? Well, unfortunately, some of the last crew, or one of my last crew I had, and I haven't shown those videos, not that there's really much to show, because when someone's being a sociopath, you don't normally go, oh, someone's being a sociopath, get the camera and film it surreptitiously and just make fun of them. It doesn't actually happen like that. So I did have some nasty crew, and well, I don't want to have that happen again. So with the new crew, I am getting stuck into them. Probably not going to show all the videos, but I'm really going to, and I think that's wise. I think I've been very lucky in the past. I mean, can you imagine? I mean, look at all the crew. I probably had, well, before I started sailing into freedom, I probably had 30 crew before there. I had one annoying guy in that 30. And then in all the crew I've had since like 2016, I've had only one sociopath, and all of the rest have been absolutely fantastic. Now, I will say one more thing before I get into it. Some of the videos coming up, there's something sad in it, but I don't want to bring up anything sad on New Year's Eve for anyone. Although New Year's Eve for me are always sad affairs. But don't you worry, I'm used to it. So, sailing into freedom. So I'll bring it up next time. So maybe not bring it up in the comments. Just let people enjoy everything, and because there's a lot of people that already know. Just enjoy it, and we'll continue on next episode, and I'll bring up the bad news. Not a nice way of doing it, but I know the comments are going to fly, and then I'd rather just avoid that, okay? So what was I talking about? Yeah, sociopaths. So I want to make sure the crew are going to be proper crew. So I'm actually getting them to watch some of the videos, and we're going to do reaction videos to them just to see how they go. And also I'm going to talk to them afterwards and see. Because sailing into freedom is known to eat suspect food. Now, when I say suspect food, it's not suspect food. Neanderthals used to eat it all the time. You know, we're talking about fish heads, livers, all the insides of the fish, beating hearts of the fish. It's all good stuff, but to normal people that are used to normal cuisine, it can be, well, people can start retching. So, on that note, I'm going to let the lovely British crew introduce you to the video.
Hi everyone. So today we're going to be filming a live reaction to one of the videos that Peter sent across for us about some of the girls eating live. Is it that? Either way, I'm a bit nervous. We've actually also got a little sick bag because both of us, if people start being sick, it also makes us sick.
Feel a bit ill. So
this is just a precaution, but I mean, hopefully it won't go to that. So we should be all right. So we're going to watch a video now. And let's see how it goes.
Here we go, yeah.
So, since we're not catching any fish at the moment, Peter and I decided that we're going to eat yuppies. We're going to eat the bait. It's like we're nipping all the claws off them. Poor things.
Still alive.
So that we can deep fry them.
Deep fried yabbies.
Almost like McNuggets. Fast food on the sea. Oh my yuppie. Don't eat me.
Welcome, welcome, welcome. Where are we standing right now, Liz?
We are in the kitchen.
What kind of kitchen is it?
Is it in the kitchen?
It's a 5-star Dutchy kitchen. And right here we have
Nervous.
Wait,
you see?
I made that kitchen.
Oh, Nat is still moving.
I'm not dodgy. Look at the kitchen, standing still, mate.
Well, today we're simply having yappies. And it's such a special thing. No one have ever had it before. And it's not because I'm a bad killer and I didn't catch any fish at all. Not at all.
Not at all.
We're just experimenting, right?
Sure.
Okay. So here we have some yappies, all cribbly and alive. And I'm now gonna taste one before I poison the rest of the crew.
I wonder what it tastes
Fuck
like.
off! I didn't swear.
Remember the memo on swearing?
Yeah, I'm not gonna swear.
Does that count for us?
Oh, that's so gross! I can't do it.
Oh my gosh,
Shall I
sounds
hold
like
for
that.
my nose?
This is first
I don't know if you
on
can
my
watch
boat.
this. All in one? No.
I'd like to say, I didn't ask her to do this. She wants to do this.
Can we just get it done?
Oh, my mom's braver than me. It's so big. Oh, sorry. Oh, it's still moving. Ugh. Oh my god, no.
Shut off. I thought you said it would taste like a nugget.
Oh gosh.
Like nuggets.
I don't like it. Please don't. Oh god, I hope she's not sick.
Not that bad, actually.
Not that
too bad.
bad. It's not that bad.
We can eat them.
We can eat them? Sally, I forgot to press the button for filming. We have to do it
Oh my
again.
gosh. Round 2.
Oh. It's still like
Oh, it's
crispy.
in a
between,
tin.
like,
Wait, do you think it's like you've got the shell on it? Oh, she just showed it on her
Oh,
tongue.
see them go
So
away.
what's it like? What's it like?
I actually think it's not that bad. Like
The
it's just
texture.
the texture is okay. Like it's a little crispy, and but then watery as well. And the taste is actually good. I think it will be good when we fry them. I mean, it's
Nice
just
when
nice
fried.
when it's fried. From my
You
face.
are a bloody legend, girl.
Fucking hell.
Bloody
Yeah, that
legend.
Let's go
Good
fry
going.
them,
All
She's stronger
right.
than I would have been.
So we just convinced the captain to do the
Okay,
same thing.
and now it's
Well,
Peter's
I
turn.
was going to do it first, but then Sally goes, oh, I'll do it.
Okay.
All right, so I can't get out of this.
Look at this
All
one.
right, so here we go.
Let's give him
Oh,
good
they're
up
so
close.
wiggly.
Okay.
He's not moving. You need to see some.
What
Put
do
him
you
in
call
the
that?
other way so he crawls into your mouth. Oh, you like that? Yeah.
Oh god, it's so gross. That's the best way
how
to
do you
do
feel?
it. Probably eat it fast. Like, no.
It's bloody great.
You swallowed. You didn't even taste him.
Yeah, that's good.
Is it,
That's
yeah.
real good.
I think it's good as well.
We'll have another one.
Another one.
No, please.
Oh, I didn't like how it kept jumping up his nose.
Oh, that is so good.
That is really good.
Yeah, I mean, this
Definitely 5-star cuisine.
Yeah.
On my dodgy boat, dodgy tours.
Five dodgy stars.
Delicacy.
You can come on my boat and you can eat bait.
Yeah.
All right. Lulu wants to have a go. She doesn't want to be left out. All right. You don't have to do it. You don't have to do it.
I just hate the
But
little,
if you
I
want to
hate the
do it,
little
you can do it.
Surprised that it's so good. Okay, this one is really moving.
Oh my gosh, okay. I know.
Okay, sorry, mister. I'm gonna eat you.
Oh, it's,
Oh, that's so good.
no.
I can barely hold him.
I think
to do it. You don't have to do it.
Of course I have to do it now.
Oh, I tell you what the worst thing is, it's the anticipation. Like, you just got to do it and get it over with.
Still alive.
I don't know why it's like a jump scare every time it comes close to the camera. Oh!
Ah, well done.
She actually ate it. I mean, if they can do it, we have to. Do you think you could do that?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah?
I'd give it a go.
Do you think you'd have to, like, do it,
I
like,
would literally just put it in
put it in and eat it really quickly? I don't know, like, the mental preparation, I think, would be worse for me. Like, you build it up in your head.
Well, you girls are a legend.
That is pretty good going.
Well done, fair
Legend.
play.
Yeah.
Well
Wow.
done.
I think it's when the legs.
Wait, but this is what we have to live up to now. Like, we're gonna have to do it as well. Oh, God.
Don't do it if you don't want it.
It's just that everyone else did it, and we'll call you a bit of a chicken. No,
Don't
no,
look
we
at
won't.
his face.
You do it if you
Or
want
name
to.
it.
Don't do it.
Oh,
He just tried to grab my
I don't know
head.
how much more I can watch of this.
Would it help
like
if we
torture.
gave it a name?
Yeah.
All right. All right. What's the name?
Yes, we're the
They're
Yappy.
naming it. That's the worst thing you could do.
You're gonna get attached to the guppy.
Ah, there we are.
This is actually pretty good.
Oh.
They all say it's good, actually, so it's very tasty, but
I did notice that as
The
soon as we
concept
named
of.
have you ever eaten a live animal?
Good on you, Lisa.
No, I don't think.
Bloody good in
They've always been cooked.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
What about like an insect?
I've had a grasshopper in Thailand, but other than that, it was cooked. It was on a stick.
Wait, the grasshopper was cooked?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. It wasn't edible.
No.
All right, we've got some deep fried yabbies happening here. Normally people use them for bait.
Oh, they look really good.
We're eating them.
Yeah, I think I prefer them cooked. I think I prefer them like that. Yeah.
Five-star gourmet on a boat. What do? You dip your fried yappy in
Oh,
sauce
that
and
looks a
then
lot
you
better.
eat it. It's just really hot.
Okay.
It's good, It's really, really good. Oh my god, so good.
How good is
Like
that?
it with the sauce, no.
I just can't get over what the girls just did. I'm amazed.
Funny.
That was
I've
funny.
just been ranting and raving for the last. Have I been ranting and raving for the last half hour? So?
Yeah. I don't know how many times you said the word amazing, but a lot of times. I mean, we've done so many things to keep, like to make him happy, but we don't know. Just eat yappies.
Eat them.
That's not true. It's not to make me happy. We're doing things. We're getting out of our comfort zone, and we're having a bit of fun at the same time. No girls have to do anything on the boat, but if they don't, they get kicked off. Just kidding. But I am amazed. I just can't get over it. I mean, these girls are amazing. I'm just amazed. Okay, you've seen the yabby eating from my excellent crew from the past. That's episodes 90 to 127, people. If you're ever feeling sad, lonely, disheartened, just watch one of those babies. It'll cheer you right up. They were unbelievable crew. There was only 3 shown there, but overall we had 4 or 5 girls from Scandinavia. We had 1 stowaway. You should find it. You should watch these. These are excellent. When I say excellent, well, you know, they're gems in my genre of videos, people. So go check them out. They're hilarious. So yes, the girls were wonderful. Just say episode 90 to 127. Okay. So put it in the comments. What do you think about eating yabbies? And do you think the potential new crew, Scarlett and Natalie, would be able to do that? I'm not so sure, because I was looking at their reactions. And I mean, because we're trying to get people out of the comfort zone, as I said in the original video. So yeah, if we just do normal things, well, it's not quite interesting, is it, people? So I'm a bit suspicious of the younger generation. I'm not entirely sure. So put it in the comments. Let me know what you think, because I'm going to have more interviews with these girls. Probably not going to show the later ones. Just trying to introduce you. Well, we might. We'll see. We'll see how we go. But I'm going to be thorough with the crews. The patrons are going to know why I'm being thorough. I've already given them some extra information. There are reasons, people. There are good, valid reasons. Very good, valid reason. Very, very good, valid reason. You got to get crew that are going to be normal, because you can't literally get rid of them, you know, when you're sailing. You have to go to a place to get rid of them. You can't just get the life out and then kick them on board. Although I have heard, and I'm not going to mention names, although the patrons will know, that there was one particular YouTuber that actually got rid of their crew and literally was on an island. Have a happy new year, good people, and just not a happy new year, a whole year. Let's just go for the whole one. Yes, we've lost 2 sponsors, but it doesn't matter. We've got a small one coming in. In fact, you know, Riley from La Vagabond, it was his rejected gear apparently. Doesn't matter where it comes from, we'll accept it. That's sailing into freedom. I feel it, I taste it. It's going to be a rip snorter of a 2025, and I hope it is for you too. Top stuff. Thanks for your support, good people. Have a happy night. Don't drink and drive.